Hello YouTube, a quick look and test. We'll make this a short video. I want to point out that I believe they made a mistake here on where it says the grit. See, that's a green color and that's a red color. If you go down here to the bottom, it says the 240 is gray, the 150 is red. I think it's backwards. We're going to find out. We're going to see. I think it's backwards. It don't matter that you'll be able to tell the grits when you do it. So we bought 2 packs of these. So we're going to take this arbor and put it on a gray one. So we're going to test it on the putty knife. So off with the test. We did take a picture just like this. You may have to turn it to your computer if you want to read the whole thing. But there you go. We want to make this real quick video. We got other things coming up. Okay, let's reread this again. I could be wrong down there. It says the 150 is red and the 240 is gray. 240 is finer. Okay, when I go up here, and this is why I think I'm confused. Here's where the mistake is. If that would have been gray, that should be the finer. The 240 should be 150. You decide, okay? Now, we did both gray and red. The red is more aggressive. You really can't see it, okay? Well, this is red down here. I scratched out for a reason. This is just a gray only, okay? And then this is gray. The red to me feels more aggressive. We're going to try the gray on here. We'll just flip it over. And by looking at them, okay, which do you think is more aggressive? I think the red is. When I see these wheels where people buy them, they're a really fine wheel. Okay, abrasive wheel. So it even looks less aggressive. We'll let you decide. But I believe it's a misprint somewhere on the package. But it doesn't matter as long as they work. Right. But that's why I bought 2 of them. I have 2 arbors. They run $7 or something a kit. Which works out to... I want to do the math. If these were $1 a piece, which those are worth $1. That's kind of funny. That'd be $6 and leaves you $7.50. They leave you $1.50 the arbor. Well, we know that arbor is worth a couple bucks. When you need them. I mean, I'm always running short because I use so many different type of buffing pads. But there you go. Just a short video, and you can decide, I guess. You can decide what you think by looking at what do you think is the finer. I said you can look at the picture. I'll show you one more time. They're telling me that's the finer grit. Remember, the higher the number, the finer it is. I think it's backwards. I really do. But I think it's correct down here. Did I say that? The 150 conditioning grits are red, and the 240 ones are gray. So, yeah. See? So forget everything I said before. I know you're totally confused. I think the mistake is up here. Anyway, thanks for watching. I just thought I'd show them. I don't get paid to show any of these products. I just like to show what I use. I'll be using these mostly like for pocket knife blades and stuff. I am going to go ahead and polish this for the fun of it. I did a video on this and sandpapered it. Nah, we're going to go ahead and polish it for the fun of it. We got everything ready. We're kind of hurrying because we're waiting for our new belt sander to get here. It's supposed to arrive on the truck sometime here this afternoon, so we want to get some other things done. So, when enough, we're out of here.